Progress Corvette project. Let me show you. I've been working on the brakes and now I have installed my vacuum pump and the bracket and everything is in place. So let's take a look. You can see it looks like this now. Here we have the valve. This is just for now to temporary to show you. And here you have the vacuum pump from a Camaro Catalan, new one. And here we have some heat protection for the hose. So let's start this up. See, I have my positive air. I will show you how it works now. You see, I put this positive air, start up the pump, building up the vacuum, and it stops. Yep. That is how the vacuum pump works, and to explain it a little bit better, because that first was for the short one, the short video, and for you that are interested, is this vacuum pump here. Normally it takes vacuum from the engine. I don't want that. I want everything to go to the carburetor. So I will use this pump for a compressor charge Camaro. Put it here because it will protect. If any sound, I will not hear it inside the car. I make the bracket here in aluminium, and the tricky part was to get those there in place, but I got them there. So this is how it looks inside, pretty clean. Yeah, so you get the ignition power to the vacuum pump, and it goes through here to this sensor that is here under here. It's a one direction valve, and it's heat protected because of the temperature here. And this switch inside here feels when it's too much vacuum, it stops, and with lowering pressure, I think it's 19 in vacuum, then it starts again. They say 19 is a good number, so it's actually working like this. Here, start up the ignition, we're building up vacuum inside vacuum booster. There we have enough vacuum, and it feels a little bit. And there we go. And builds up again when you brake. You can have a big vacuum tank extra, but it's not necessary. This car is not for the racetrack. I'm not that brave, so yeah. So we have progress. Soon I'm gonna start up this beast also. So next project now, after connecting this and make it nice, I will make some, you see this place here opening. I want it to be open for ventilation of the engine, but I don't want it to be this open, so I have made stainless netting that I'm gonna put in. I will show you a sneak peek of that. Looks like this. It's gonna be polished and put in place with the fender list. And what else? Yeah, this hose here for heater will be removed. This hose here for heater will be removed. I don't know if I just gonna do a circulation on them or if I just block them. I'm not sure. Some say you can block them, some say you need to have circulation. If you know, just tell me. If otherwise I will check it up. Normally you blocking it, I think, with the heater, but I'm not sure. So maybe I just put it in circulation. Maybe. I don't know. But when I know that, I will do it. So this hose here will be gone, and this will be gone, and that is just for looks actually, because I will put in electric heater inside here. It's enough for driving in spring, summer and autumn. So it will just blow a little bit warm temperature to get away some moisture. That's enough for me. And the fan will be the original one. So what else? Yeah, because I remove this, it will look so much better, you know. I don't want these hoses there, so then it will be so nice to look at, because I want the chrome and the black parts showing. So, and for me, clean engine. I would like, if I could choose, I will not, almost not see the wiring, the ignition cables either, so I just want to see the engine. But that is not possible, so it needs to be like this. But imagine if that one is gone and that one is gone. This here, it's cleaned out, and there it's cleaned out, no cables visible. It will look more like this, and this alternator will be changed to the chrome edition when I find a good one, and I will put on chrome wheels here. So that is more or less about my plans for the engine room. Then I will put this front for window wipers will be electric when it goes up and down, not vacuum anymore. So that is the plan for the engine room. But for this season it will be brakes and wiring and fan and heat cables. The wipers project, that will be next autumn. So for this year I drive with no wipers. It works great. I only drive on sunny days. Okay guys, that's some progress. Now I need to go out and give some love to some trucks. So keep it Chevrolet, keep it V8. Okay guys, over and out.